So today I want to share some lessons I learned from the life of Papa Noah and his three sons, Shem, Ham, and Japheth. And we'll see that in Genesis chapter 9, verse 18 to 29. But briefly, I'll read Genesis chapter 9, verse 20 to 23. And Noah began to be a farmer, and he planted a vineyard. Then he drank of the wine and was drunk, and became uncovered in his tent. And Ham, the father of Canaan, saw the nakedness of his father and told his two brothers outside. But Shem and Japheth took a garment, laid it on both their shoulders, and went backward and covered the nakedness of their father. Their faces were turned away, and they did not see their father's nakedness. Lesson that I learned from this scenario: instead of him to cover the father, he came out to inform the brothers. I perceived that like a form of mockery. He was mocking his father, came to tell his brothers, "I go and see you. Daddy is naked, Papa is naked, he's drunk." But we can see from the life of Shem and Japheth that instead of going to mock their father, to see their father's nakedness and laugh at him, rather they went, took a cloth to go and cover their father's nakedness. Now, what is the lesson for us to learn here? So many of us, we derive joy or we mock people when we see them in their fallen state, when we see them in their place of nakedness, in their place of shame. Instead of covering them up, we rather go ahead to mock them. And reading the book of Proverbs chapter 10 verse 12 says that why hatred stirs up strife, love covers a multitude of sin. We can see that if we truly love our brothers, if we truly love our sisters, instead of mocking them in their season of nakedness, in their season of shame, we are rather called as believers, as Christians, as keepers of our brothers and sisters, to rather cover their nakedness and not to go on to laugh at them or to mock them. And another lesson I also learned, that as Ham saw the nakedness of his father and went and told his brothers, it attracted curse, generational curse to him. But for Shem and Japheth, who went on to carry a cloth to cover their father's nakedness, it attracted blessing to them. What is the lesson for us to learn from this? It is that a generation that mocks their fathers will attract generational curses, and a generation that covers the mistakes of their fathers will attract blessings from their father. So as believers, let us learn, rather than mocking and making jest of people's mistakes, going about gossiping their shame and exposing their nakedness, let us learn to cover them. God bless you.